How to add website to favorites on DuckDuckGo. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can add website to favorites on DuckDuckGo. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. First step, open up your DuckDuckGo. And after you're on your DuckDuckGo, you can simply search for an address, that is a web address. So I'll just type in YouTube here. And after you type in the address, you can just open it up. I'll just open this up in the new tab. And there we go. Now, if you want to add this address or add this website on your favorites, what you'll need to do is tap on the three dots on the bottom right. Then you'll see an option that says add favorite on the second. Tap on add favorite and now you have just added a favorite website on DuckDuckGo. And that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.